The MAX 3010 module can be used to measure the heart rate and SpO2 level. Basically, the MAX 3010 module has two LEDs. One of them is red and the other one is IR LED. For measuring heart rate, we only use the IR LED. When the heart is pumping the blood, there is an increase in the oxygenated blood as a result of having more blood. And when the heart relaxes, the volume of the oxygenated bloods also decreases. We need to know the time between the increase and decrease of the oxygenated blood to measure the pulse rate. To measure the SpO2 level, the sensor sends the red beams of light which then passes through your blood flowing from the finger, and with that it measures the amount of the oxygen present in your blood. If you connect your MX3010 module by following the pin diagram with your Arduino, straight away it will not work because there are three pulled up resistors with the value of 4.7 kilo ohms. These three resistors are pulled up with the voltage level of 1.8 volt, which is not sufficient for Arduino to detect the high value. You can remove the onboard resistor with the help of soldering iron. You just need to provide some heat to the resistor and they will simply desoldered from the board. You can also use a sharp cutter or a plier to remove the resistor if you don't have the soldering iron with you. After removing the resistor, just follow the circuit diagram, and you can also consider the pin diagram table to connect the MAX 3010 with your Arduino. We need to connect three external resistors with the same value of 4.7 kilo ohm, but in that scenario we will give 5 volts instead of 1.8 volt. Before uploading the code, first of all you need to include the library. For this you can go into the manage libraries and write over there max 30100 and just install the library. The other method is you can add the zip library which I have attached in the link below. You can simply go into the folder and just add the zip file. This will work as well. After that, in first code, this is basically the simple code, and in this code you just need to mention the reporting time for your pulse rate, and the pulse rate will be displayed on the serial monitor continuously. In the second code, which is quite a bit of complex code, you just need to add some of the registers, but this code has one issue. It will give you the correct answer for only the first time. If you want to get the answer repeatedly, you just need to reset it. Just put your finger at the top of the sensor and it will take the readings of your heart rate and SpO2 level. And then we will compare these results with authentic device.